In the full circle path, you don't know the real you because your identity is often shaped by external influences, society's expectations, past experiences, fears, and the roles you've been told to play. These layers create a false self, masking your true essence. There are seen and unseen players, humans, non-humans, systems, and cultural forces who profit by keeping you distracted and disconnected, feeding you illusions of worth through material possessions or external validation. Science now suggests what many of us already knew. Though the body decomposes, the energy within does not. It transforms, continuing beyond the physical. Breaking free from this illusion and discovering your true self means tapping into this enduring energy, your essence, that cannot be confined or corrupted. Stay connected, stay grounded, walk the full circle path.